Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to solve this math exponential problem. That is x raised to power 6 is equal to 8 raised to power x. So to solve this question properly, first of all we will write solution and we will copy this question in the solution again. So the question is x raised to power 6 is equal to 8 raised to power x. So first of all, in this equation, we will simplify this x from the right hand side. So for that, we will multiply 1 over x in the power on both sides. So it will become implies x raised to power 6 whole raised to power 1 over x is equal to 8 raised to power x whole raised to power 1 over x. Now here on both sides we will use an exponential formula, that is a raised to power m whole raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m n, which is also equal to a raised to power n whole raised to power m. By using this formula, we can write this equation as x raised to power 6 multiply 1 over x is equal to 8 raised to power x multiply 1 over x. So on the right hand side, this x and this x will be cancelled with each other, and on the left hand side we will write it as the same. It will become, we can also write this left hand side as x raised to power 1 over x times 6 is equal to 8. Now we can also write this left hand side as x raised to power 1 over x whole raised to power 6 is equal to 8. Now we will try to eliminate this 6 from the left hand side. So for that, we will multiply 1 over 6 in the power on both sides. So it will become implies x raised to power 1 over x whole raised to power 6 times 1 over 6 is equal to 8 raised to power 1 over 6. Here on the left hand side, this 6 and this 6 will be cancelled with each other. So only implies x raised to power 1 over x is left, and on the right hand side we can write this 8 as 2 raised to power 3 whole raised to power 1 over 6. Next, we will further simplify it the right hand side. So we will write the left hand side as the same, and here again we will use the same above exponential formula, and we will multiply the powers with each other. So it will become 2 raised to power 3 times 1 over 6. Here we will simplify these two powers. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. On the left hand side implies x raised to power 1 over x is equal to, the base is 2 and in the power 1 times 1 is 1 divided by, here 2 is left. So 2 raised to power 1 over 2 is left. Now my dears, look it to both sides. Here the numbers in the power and denominator are same with the base. So we can compare the bases or as well as the powers with each other. So it implies x is equal to, so x is equal to 2 is the answer and solution of this exponential math problem. Now we will check that x is equal to 2 is the correct and exact root of this exponential equation or not. So we will substitute the value of x in this equation. So for that, we will do the further steps here. So first we will write the equation again, that is x raised to power 6 is equal to 8 raised to power x. Now here we will replace x with its value, that is 2. So it will become 2 raised to power 6 is equal to 8 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 6 means we need to multiply this base 6 times. So we will multiply it 6 times is equal to, and 8 raised to power 2 means we need to multiply 8 2 times. So let's simplify the number on both sides. Here 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, and 32 times 2 is 64. Then the right hand side, 8 times 8 is 64. Now my dears, look into both sides are equal. So it means that x is equal to 2 is the exact and correct root of this exponential math problem.